Welcome to Auto Risholi. In this guide, I will show you how to fix a V380 camera that keeps going offline.
Fix 1. Check Wi Fi connection. Step 1. Make sure your Wi Fi is working and has a strong signal where the camera is placed. Step 2. Move the camera closer to the router if the signal is weak. Step 3. Restart your router. Fix 2. Power cycle the camera. Step 1. Turn off or unplug the camera. Step 2. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. Step 3. Turn it back on and check if it reconnects. Fix 3. Update firmware and app. Step 1. Open the V380 app on your phone. Step 2. Check for camera firmware updates in the settings. Step 3. Update the app from the App Store or Google Play if needed. Fix 4. Reset the camera. Step 1. Locate the reset button on the camera. Step 2. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED blinks. Step 3. Add the camera to the V380 app.